going to show you a very beautiful kurti neckline. So this is going to be a office wear kind of neckline, very simple, very neat neckline. So to make this neckline, I have just folded the fabric in half and I have already marked the shoulder, armhole and the sides. Now I'm dividing the neckline from the shoulder. Okay, so my depth of my neckline from the top is going to be like normally I used to take like 7.5 to 8 inches. As I'm going to make like a U neckline, I'm going to take my depth of the neckline to be 7 inches, and I'm drawing a rectangle like this connecting the shoulder and the down part. So using the French curve, I'm going to draw my U neckline. So the French curve is a very good tool to draw U neckline. The neckline won't go wide, it just sits exactly the same as like a U. So now I'm going to cut into the neckline. So once after cutting the U neckline, I'm going to give an interfacing for that. So I just took an interfacing of canvas and I have folded that in half, and I'm placing this neckline on top of the interfacing canvas, matching the folded edge together, and I'm drawing the same U neckline on top of my interfacing canvas like such. Okay, once you've drawn the interfacing canvas with the U neckline, I'm going to mark like a 1.5 inches on the folded edge of the canvas like this, and I'm going to give 1 inch all around. That's going to be the width of the neckline. So the width of the neckline is totally depends upon you. If you want, you can give 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So now I'm going to give 1 inch all around my U neckline. So now I'm going to give this 1.5 or 1 inch to the folded edge of the fabric, and I'm going to draw a straight line till the end like this. Okay, and now I'm going to take a very marginal amount from the folded edge and I'm going to cut that in, and I'm going to make an opening to the neckline. And let me cut this out. Very simple and very easy to make a beautiful neckline design for the office wear and for the college going. And you can make this neckline on a simple cotton fabric. It's going to give a very beautiful look. So once after cutting out the outside neckline, you're going to cut into the 1/4 inch piece that I have marked on the folded edge of the interfacing canvas. Now I'm going to place this interfacing canvas on a piece of fabric facing the wrong side up. So this is the wrong side facing up, and I'm going to place this glue side down, and I'll be pressing that together with the fabric like this. So before pressing that, make sure you just place a cotton fabric on top of the interfacing. So place it firm, and I'm going to lay a cotton fabric on top of the interfacing, and then I'm going to press that tight. So don't ever try to press the fabric without laying a cotton fabric on top of that, the interfacing. So when you try to press the interfacing, make sure you just put a cotton fabric on top of that. Okay, so now I'm just cutting the inner neckline, and when I cut the outside, I've been leaving a 1/4 to 1 inch of seam allowance for folding the fabric on top of the canvas. So now I'll be attaching this to my neck. So now I'm just folding the 1/4 inch of seam allowance inside the canvas. So make sure you add some notches at the place of turns and curves of the neckline, and I'm just closing that on top of my interfacing canvas and I'm sewing that together. So once it's done, I'm going to attach this to my pretty side of the neckline. So now you can see this is the center point of the neckline, and the wrong side of the fabric should match the wrong side of the neckline like this, and you should face the wrong side up. Okay, and this is how you're going to place, and you're going to sew that with a 1/4 inch of seam allowance all around the neckline. So you're going to get into the point of slit and you're going to sew the open side. Okay, so after sewing this together, you're going to cut the fabric out. So little by little you're going to get into the U neckline like such. So now I'm going to cut into this opening and I'm going to take out the piece of fabric in this. Okay, and adding some notches. Okay. So at the place of turns, you're going to add some notches, and I'll be turning this piece of interfacing canvas inside to the pretty side of the fabric. Now you can see the pretty side of the fabric matches the pretty side of the neckline like this. So before sewing this, make sure you press that little bit in place so that it just stays firm, and then you're going to put a stitch all around this neckline. So you can take a plain fabric and you can give any kind of pattern fabric neckline like this. It's just going to look really beautiful. So now I'm going to sew the entire neckline like this. So in between the gap, you can give a same kind of pattern fabric, or else you can give any other color fabric so that it will look really I feel like it just looks really beautiful if you give some other color fabric in between the gaps like this. See, so in this open gap I'm going to give a cotton pattern fabric again, and I'm going to give that inside this opening. So I have just folded that twice and I have pressed that together. So this is absolutely left up to you. If you want, you can give a pattern fabric, or else you can go ahead with the same color of your kurti fabric. So I'm just going to sew it straight like this. So if you want, you can add some buttons in the center also. That's also going to look really beautiful. So the design and the imagination is absolutely left up to you. There's a small technique that you can make to your dress. And also, if you feel that the outside of the neckline looks really plain, you can add some lace also, which goes well with the design. So now I'm going to finish the neckline. So once it's done, you can see it's very beautiful. I totally love this neckline. It just came out really simple and very beautiful. So if you want, you can leave it as it is, or else if you want, you can add this lace. It's left up to you. So people like me, I love adding laces to my dress, but I don't want to spoil the design. So I just want to stay in track, and I want to make sure that the design goes well with the lace. And I felt this lace would be really beautiful with the neckline, and believe me, it just came out really beautiful. So this is the end result of the neckline. Hope you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below this video. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.